Hello. Welcome to Standard Capital Securities. In this video, we will talk about how you can bid for shares once you have received the login ID and password. After successfully registering for book building, you will receive the login ID and password from PSX. Head over to psx.com.pk with your login credentials. Scroll down to see the IPO icon of the company you are bidding for. On the new page, click on Book Building Application. In here, you will find the name of the company you are bidding for. Click on the name. Simply enter the login ID and password that was received in the email by PSX. After signing in, you will see this dashboard. You can see the amount you have deposited during the book building phase in the Available tab. In the Volume tab, you can enter the number of shares you want to bid for. In the Price tab, right below Volume, you can enter your bidding price. Right next to the Price tab, you can see the bidding price range. Enter the strike price shown in Bid Details in the Price tab. Enter the volume of shares in the Volume tab. You can calculate the volume of shares by dividing the available balance with the strike price. Once you have reviewed the volume and price, enter the PIN code received in the book building registration email by PSX and click Submit. Then click on Click to proceed. If everything goes well, you should see the order number, along with the volume, price, and value, in the client bids box below. And that is how you can bid online for the company you are interested in. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more.